Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to add a PDF to your Google Wallet. Whether it's a ticket, boarding pass, or important document, having it in Google Wallet makes it quick and easy to access. Let's get started. First, open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Next, tap the plus button, usually labeled Add to Wallet. From the options, select Passes, or Add a PDF, depending on your version of the app. Then, locate the PDF you want to add. This could be stored in your Downloads, Google Drive, or another folder on your device. Once selected, follow the prompts to import it into Google Wallet. Check that the file is displayed correctly, and that any QR codes or important details are visible. After adding, open your Google Wallet to confirm the PDF appears and is accessible when needed. That's it. Your PDF is now stored safely in Google Wallet for easy access anytime. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.